Red beans are quietly marvelous when it comes to digestive health, acting like generous hosts that roll out the welcome mat for the microscopic guests living inside your gut. Their fiber, a mix of soluble and insoluble types, plus resistant starch and fermentable oligosaccharides, arrives in the digestive tract intact and becomes a feast for beneficial microbes. As those microbes break down the fibers, they produce short-chain fatty acids, SCFAs, such as butyrate, acetate, and propionate, which do wonderful things. Butyrate nourishes colon cells and helps maintain a healthy gut lining. Acetate and propionate play roles in appetite regulation and metabolic signaling, and collectively these SCFAs help lower inflammation in the gut. Picture red beans literally hosting a party for good bacteria, with happy microbes dancing as they turn fiber into molecules that calm the gut, support immune function, and even send positive chemical signals to the brain. Beyond feeding microbes, the physical bulk from insoluble fiber helps keep the digestive tract moving smoothly. This regularity means fewer uncomfortable episodes of constipation and a more predictable, comfortable rhythm after meals. Soluble fiber adds a second layer of benefit. It forms a gentle gel in the intestine that slows digestion, moderates nutrient absorption, and provides sustained fullness, a digestive experience that feels settled rather than chaotic. That steady intestinal pace also helps blunt blood sugar spikes after meals and reduces sudden hunger pangs, so red beans contribute to both digestive comfort and metabolic steadiness at once. The prebiotic qualities of red beans are particularly valuable because they encourage microbial diversity, an important marker of a resilient, healthy microbiome. A varied community of gut microbes is better at resisting disruption, processing a wide range of nutrients, and producing a broader mix of beneficial metabolites. Regularly including red beans as part of a diverse, fiber-rich diet helps cultivate that richness, which has downstream benefits for digestion, immune regulation, and even mood. Small shifts in your microbial community, encouraged by foods like red beans, can over time translate into improved tolerance to different foods and fewer inflammatory flares in sensitive individuals. Practical preparation makes the digestive benefits more enjoyable. Soaking beans before cooking, discarding the soaking water and cooking them thoroughly reduces compounds that can cause gas for some people, while preserving the fermentable fibers that do the good work. If you're easing into beans, start with smaller portions and pair them with other soothing, fiber-rich foods, grains, vegetables, or a splash of acid like lemon or tomato to make meals gentle and balanced. Canned beans are a convenient option. Rinsing them before use reduces excess sodium and keeps the focus on fiber and nutrients. For those sensitive to fiber, cooking beans into soups, stews, or purees softens their texture and makes them easier on the gut while keeping the prebiotic benefits intact. There's also a social and practical upside. Red beans are affordable, shelf-stable, and easy to cook in bulk, which means you can build a sustained habit of feeding your gut well without fuss. Consistent intake matters for the microbiome. It's not a one-and-done benefit. Regular servings help maintain the digestive ecosystem's balance so you can enjoy lasting improvements in stool regularity, reduced bloating over time, and more resilient gut function. Combine beans with fermented foods like yogurt, kefir, sauerkraut, or kimchi if you like. Prebiotics from beans plus live cultures from fermented foods make a natural 1-2 punch for digestive wellness. Finally, the broader picture is uplifting. Improving digestive health with red beans isn't about quick fixes or restrictive diets. It's about simple, delicious additions that nourish the body from the inside. They offer sustained energy, support for the gut lining, encouragement for beneficial microbes, and practical ease of use in everyday cooking. If you imagine your gut as a thriving little ecosystem, red beans are the thoughtful hosts who keep the pantry stocked, invite diverse guests, and make sure everyone leaves happier and healthier, one cozy, flavorful meal at a time.